Introducing the PMC1000 air mattress system from Progressive Medical Concepts. This is an alternating pressure and low air loss mattress replacement system. The fully digital pump features a power on-off and patient lockout buttons, as well as an easy and secure mattress attachment. There are 4 function buttons to select between alternating pressure, static pressure, seat inflate, and max inflate modes. When using the alternating pressure mode, there are 4 selectable time intervals from 10 to 25 minutes. There are multiple visual and audible alerts to indicate low pressure, power, and alternating pressure failure. Beside the panel alarm indicators is an alarm mute button. Weight settings can be set from 80 to 450 pounds. The mattress has a luxury water-resistant stretchable quilted top that can be detached for easy cleaning. It uses cell-on-cell technology to prevent bottoming out of the mattress in the event of power failure. For patient comfort and skin protection, this mattress combines alternating pressure with low air loss. The uppermost cells are laser drilled to allow a calibrated cooling air loss from the cells to escape under the top. The uniquely designed CPR valve can quickly deflate the mattress with a simple quarter turn, while preventing accidental deflation that is common with other mattresses. The ruggedly designed bottom has 4 lift handles, 6 tie-downs, and 2 large friction pads to prevent the mattress from bunching up when the bed head is raised. All this to exceed your expectations. This mattress is loved by patients, caregivers, and maintenance staff alike. It allows decision makers to offer residents a high-feature mattress at a regular feature price. It is available for rental or purchase from Progressive Medical Concepts.